This Ninja 12-inch NeverStick Fry Pan is a great choice for any kitchen. It boasts a polished stainless steel exterior. This exterior not only looks sleek but it resists scratches and rust, so the pan will maintain its shiny appearance for a long time. The pan's non-stick surface is a game changer. It makes cooking easier and cleanup a breeze. You can cook eggs, fish, and even poultry without worrying about them sticking. The Ninja 12-inch NeverStick Fry Pan is also very durable. It's oven safe up to 500 degrees F. This means you can start your cooking on the stovetop and finish it in the oven. This is super handy for dishes like frittatas or for keeping food warm. The pan's sturdy construction ensures it can handle high heat and everyday use. Plus, the handle stays cool to the touch on the stovetop. It offers a comfortable and secure grip. Cleaning this Ninja 12-inch NeverStick Fry Pan is simple. Food slides right off the non-stick surfaces. A quick wash with soap and water is usually all it takes. It is also dishwasher safe for even more convenience. This pan is a fantastic addition to your cookware collection. It combines performance, durability, and easy cleanup, so it will quickly become one of your go-to pans for all sorts of cooking adventures. Pros: non-stick surface, easy to clean, durable build, oven safe to 500 degrees F, stainless steel exterior. Heats evenly, good size. 12-inch. Stylish silver look, no sticking issues, versatile for cooking. Cons: no lid included, base may be smaller, non-stick can wear, uneven heating possible, eggs might still stick, longer preheat needed, handle hanging is odd, not as slick as Teflon features. Ninja Foodi, NeverStick, stainless steel 12-inch, fry pan, polished exterior, non-stick. Durable, oven safe, up to 500 degrees F. This Ninja Foodi NeverStick stainless steel fry pan is a 12-inch silver-colored pan with a polished stainless steel outside. It has a non-stick surface inside, which means food won't easily stick to it. The pan is made to be tough and can handle oven temperatures up to 500 degrees F. This makes it easy to cook on the stovetop and then move it right into the oven. This Ninja Foodi NeverStick stainless steel pan is 12 inches, has a polished silver look, and is made to not stick. It's strong and can go in the oven up to 500 degrees F. It heats food evenly and is easy to wash. However, it doesn't come with a lid. The bottom might be smaller than the top. The non-stick might wear out over time, and sometimes it might not heat perfectly even or stop eggs from sticking. It also needs a longer time to get hot, and the way you hang it might seem strange. Plus, it's not quite as smooth as Teflon pans.